Step 2. Combine notes in outline. When we're done combining our notes in an outline, all the important information we copied from our websites will be organized under topic headings. Also, each quote will end with a tag that tells us which URL in our reference list was the website where we found this information. So now let's see how Caitlin does Step 2, combining notes in an outline.
Alright, so I have all my URLs under the reference list on my digital outline. And now I want to look through my digital notebook once again and find each quote that will fit under each heading. In each place, I'm going to have a space underneath the heading where I can put this information. So to organize my notes in my outline, first I want to find stuff that I could put in under the heading Birth and Family. So I'm going through my notebook and I see these first 3 tags are all about where and when he was born and who his parents were. So I'm going to copy this, Command C, and put it under the heading Birth and Family. Now I'm going to go back to my digital notebook and highlight this information that's all about Martin Luther King's education. I'll put this right here under Education, Command V. So that's a lot of information out of Section A. Let's see what I can get out of Section B. Here it says King Sr. was inclined to be a severe disciplinarian. And then later down it says King Sr. did not endure racism meekly. So it seems that his father had great influence on Martin Luther King Jr. This kind of information should go under the heading Father Influence. But as I see here after I pasted it, it doesn't have a tag because it was just in the middle of a whole paragraph. That means I'm going to have to go in and just tag it myself with a B. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one, and again I'll put a B. Now if I read the next section, I see that the first part is about his education. However, the second part is about his religion. These are 2 different sections, but both very important. So I'll just pick one at a time and put this one under education and tag it. And then I'll put this next sentence here and put it under the heading religion and then tag it. So I'm going to just keep going through and carefully reading my digital notebook and pasting what I find is informational and important to my headings into my outline. And I definitely need to remember to tag all of my information. Once you've finished recording your notes into your digital outline, you're done. That's the last step in Strategy 9 and the last SOAR strategy.